Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm going to show you how to make a corner pocket embellishment page for your mini album. We're starting with a tunnel page that I have made already, and the base and the hinge that I have made in another video, but I will link to that video right up here so that you can catch up and get to the stage where you are embellishing your tunnel pages. So I've got one single sheet that is the same size as one of the tunnel pages. That would be 6 inches by 7¼ inches. Normally we would have 2 sheets of this, and we would score the short edge at 1/2 inch and join 2 sheets together to create a tunnel. So let's use the same size, but instead of using 2 sheets to create a tunnel, let's use 1 sheet and create a pocket. So if you turn it long ways, then you can see right where the diagonal pocket will go. With the scoreboard, let's score 1/2 inch and let's turn it and do 1/2 inch the other way. I'm going to turn mine over and do that again because sometimes my folds are a bit crooked. So I really want a good score. Okay. Now with your scissors, you can cut the corners off and make little flaps. The flaps fold easily because we scored it on both sides. And you can see that it will fit right there. And now all we have to do is cut it diagonally. You have the 2 flaps. The 2 flaps will go right here like this, and you've got a nice little corner pocket embellishment for your page. This makes a really nice, easy page. You can see I've added just a little bit of glue. I make sure that the tunnel where I actually want to insert it into the hinge, that's the side that you want the pocket. Press it down firmly. And I am going right up to the edge. I also use my little scoring bone folder to reach in there and press down. And that is how you create a pocket. Definitely check out the other videos in the mini album playlist so you can make an entire mini album in no time at all. It's super easy. Thanks so much for subscribing to Sandpaper Road, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.